Puffiness of the lower eyelids is generally caused by fat that's protruding, causing bulging and puffiness. People report it's worse in the morning than at night because they're lying down and it gets a little bit more swollen, but the treatment is really very simple. We could eliminate that and eliminate that tired look in really about 15 minutes, and it's a matter of taking fat out of the eyelid, and it can be done with absolutely no scar. What I do is I make a little incision on the inside of the pink part of the lower eyelid. There's 3 separate fat pockets. We take them out very carefully one by one, and the puffiness disappears for 15, 20 years or more. Let's go watch us do it.